Hello, this is a small showcase of a project I've been working on to be able to measure your connection at home, like the strength, the signal quality, and speed, um, um, using like default apps that are built in on Mac mostly. Um, so the first thing what I'm going to do is to start the server, um, and here you can see how the app looks at the beginning, and we need to fill in some values such as the iPerf3 server we are going to run the tests against. So here I'm connected to my home server, connected by a cable to the main router, and I will run iPerf3 -s, which will prepare the server for the testing. And I know that the IP address of that server is as follows, and I'll also need to put in my password, um, sudo password, because we need to run some local commands on Mac. I'll also need to load the floor plan, so I prepared it in Sweet Home 3D software. So as you can see, the floor plan is now downloaded, and I'll also reduce the test duration to just 2 seconds for now. Yeah, this is the start. You can now click on this floor plan to start measuring. As you can see, the server is receiving some requests. That's a good sign. And yeah, we have the first measurement here in the measurement points table. We see what happened, what's the signal quality. We can toggle some additional columns if we want it, and yeah, even like disable the point if we don't want it. Also, if we click on the point itself, we see some additional information. We can also just disable it if we want. And all this information is stored in this data /db.json. Let's add some additional points. So let's say I would move to the other corner of the office over here. Again, we run the measurement, and hopefully we will see first generated heat maps. And yep, here we see like new section heat maps. We can also like configure some additional values to configure how we want the heat map to look like. And let's add a couple of more measurement points to make them slightly more interesting. You can also just click on the heat map to see the details. You could download it and so on. Yeah, so we have additional point. You can see that the heat maps have changed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope the rest is like basically self-explanatory. And yeah, I hope you'll find it